Hello friends, just completed my around 6.5 kilometers 1 hour run with this mask, cloth mask. You can see the mask, and before and after you can see this is what it happened to me when I run with a mask inside home, and it's completely wet because of my sweat, and it was very hard to run with a mask. Yes, we should not run with a mask for a longer time. Maybe a 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers is okay, and if you want to go for the longer run, you should be taking around one mask per 3 kilometers. That is what I suggest, because normally in these conditions it is very hot over here and you will be sweating a lot, and your mask will be more you run, more it will become, and it will be very hard to breathe with a wet mask. Believe me, it was. I will show you the pictures. What was my lung heart rate and my lung rate. When I say lung rate, like how many breaths I was taking, in fact, and to keep my oxygen or SpO2 at a 98%. So it was very difficult. So I suggest not to run with a mask, especially if you are running alone, and if you are going outside for a run. I will strictly suggest not to go out with a mask. Don't run at all in a mask. And this is what it happens. See this sweating out of it. So this much of sweat, and it was very hard to breathe in sweating. Another important question which I need to answer: why it was hard to breathe in a wet cloth mask while compared to dry cloth mask. What will happen is, like, when the cloth becomes wet, the density or the cloth become very dense. The air passes through the wet cloth is very less in compared to the air passes through the dry cloth. So it is very difficult to breathe within a wet cloth. I have seen the hell while breathing through the wet cloth. I have to breathe with taking a breath with my nose and my wide open mouth. I have to open wide mouth to take as much as possible, and was feeling a very hard. Now my lungs are so paining. I'm feeling that my lungs are scratched. They have scratched. They are burning. They are hurting me a lot. So it is so hard to It was so hard to breathe in a wet cloth. So I strictly suggest don't go out. In fact, any kind of in a mask, wearing any kind of in a mask. I suggest stay home, do your conditioning trainings. Condition your legs, train your do a lot of trainings on your legs. Stay at home, if possible. Run inside. So better maybe in a lawn or maybe on a terrace inside home. The place where I'm staying is the COVID cases are on the higher side. So I suggest run inside, stay safe, stay home.